Now, the Federal High Court in Abuja has resumed hearings in the suit filed by suspended Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan against the President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, and the Nigerian Senate. Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan, representing Kogi Central, was suspended for 6 months in March 2025 following allegations of misconduct and making disruptive remarks during plenary sessions. Now, Akpoti-Uduaghan is contending that her suspension was a retaliatory act after she accused President of the Senate, Akpabio, of sexual harassment. Now, recall that earlier in April, the court barred both parties from making public comments on the case to prevent prejudice of the proceedings. Now, today's hearing is expected to address motions filed by both legal representatives. Right now, our correspondent Joshua Imarai joins me from the court for some updates. Hello, Joshua. If you can hear me, what's the latest on the court proceedings?
Good morning to you, Blessings. Right from live here at the Federal High Court in Abuja. And I can tell you for sure that the entire proceeding has been adjourned till tomorrow, Tuesday, 13th, to hear on the contempt issue. Now, this is how it happened. Upon commencement of proceedings this morning, the entire parties announced to the court that they have filed the necessary paperwork and the necessary document for the trial to resume hearing as order. Well, the entire thing took a drastic turn as the counsel representing the Senate, that's the person of Paul Dauda, told the court that there was an initial ruling that no social media posts should be made, and the court had ordered that there should be no social media publication or streaming. Then the counsel representing the Senate, however, said that the plaintiff in this issue, that is Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, had flouted that rule and informed the court that he had filed the necessary paperwork and application to show that there was a contempt to court. Well, the counsel representing Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan objected, saying that particular social media post she made earlier was unconnected to the entire issue. That the issue before the Senate now is the contention of a suspension, saying that it was illegal and was premeditated as a result of the issue she raised. They argued back and forth. Well, the court in its wisdom had to adjourn to tomorrow, 12 o'clock, to hear on the contempt suit. That means the entire proceedings, the hearing on a suspension and a responsibility in the Senate is on hold until the rule on the contempt suit filed before Honorable Justice Peter Yaku.
Latest update you guys heard from the newscasters in via News Central. So it is now known to us that this case between Senator Natasha and Akpoti-Uduaghan is now ongoing in the Federal High Court of Nigeria. They started this thing yesterday being Monday, and today by 12 p.m. today in Nigerian time, these people are still going back to court. And according to this case, the reporter said that the report that Akpoti-Uduaghan has alleged that her 6-month suspension is in retaliation for her claims of sexual harassment against Senator Akpabio. Whereas these people are saying that her suspension has nothing to do with her allegation, rather is because of the way she presented it. She did not meet up with the rules guiding the Senate. You know, every organization have its own rules. She violated that particular rule because she was the one that signed the petition by herself. And according to the rules in the Nigerian Senate, if you want to petition your fellow senator, you are not expected to sign that particular petition by yourself. Another senator is expected to sign it for you. I don't understand. But this kind of law, I don't understand it. How can you be petitioning your fellow senator and someone else will be the one to sign that petition for you, like a guarantor? I don't understand. Nigeria is just laughable. Anyway, my people, today, by 12 p.m. today in Nigeria, today is Tuesday, court we hear 2 opposing contempt charges between Senate President Godswill Akpabio and Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, both accusing each other of defying previous court orders. Presiding Judge Binta Nyako, who set the hearing for 12 p.m. today, noting that she intends to clear her schedule for the proceedings. She also requested a copy of the Senate rules to air the court consideration. Anyway, my people, what is your opinion regarding this? I wish Senator Natasha nothing but all the best. But looking at all these things, Yes, if actually that the law guiding the Senate president is that if you are petitioning your fellow senator, you are not expected to sign the petition by yourself. And Senator Natasha herself signed that petition against Akpabio. She was the one that signed it. It means that she actually violated that law. But then again, why suspending her for 6 months, taking away all her bodyguards and not paying her salary? I don't understand. The last time I checked, it was not her fellow senators that actually elected her to be the senator of Kogi Central. Rather, these are the mandates from the people of Kogi. So why suspending your fellow senator? I don't understand. Do you have the power to suspend your fellow senator that was elected by her own constituents? Nigeria is just laughable. Anyway, let's keep our fingers crossed, hoping that this court outcome today will favor our own Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, and the load will be lesser on both of them. What is your opinion regarding this? Feel free to drop it in the comment section.